Are you wondering if you need Seeking Alpha Premium or is the free version good enough for your investing needs? With over 20 million people using Seeking Alpha every month, it is one of the largest investing community in the world. And in today's video, I'm going to compare the four key differences between the free account and the Seeking Alpha Premium and let you know exactly which plan suits you better. If you haven't done so, do join my free weekly newsletter where you will get tips on the US and Singapore stock markets, stock ideas, analyst reports, and many more. You can find the link down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's jump back to the video. Okay, before I even begin the comparison, you should sign up for a 7 days free trial by using my affiliate link down in the description box below. That way you can follow along with me and check out the premium features as I go along in the video itself. So let's start off with the first feature, unlimited access to all these analyst articles. If you're on the free account, you're limited to just a handful of articles each month. This can be incredibly frustrating if you're trying to dive deep into research on multiple stocks. So let's take a look here. So this is the free account, okay, that I have signed in using the incognito tab. And when I click on a particular stock, like let's say Disney, they will prompt you to unlock the article with the premium access. Okay, so basically, you will not be able to analyze anything using the free account. On the other hand, with Seeking Alpha Premium, there are no limits. You can read as many articles as you want, written by all these expert analysts across every sector and every stock that you can think of. Okay, so for example, if you're researching on Disney, so let me just share with you right now. The free version may let you read only one or two articles, but with premium access, you can look at the articles with even the analyst ratings over here. Okay, you can just click on the maybe the strong buy to validate your thesis, or even look at the sell one, to see what are other people talking about your holding that you should watch out for, the risk that you may have not be aware of, so you can get all this with the premium access. So this is a game changer for investors who want a rather comprehensive view of a particular stock. The second big difference is the stock ratings. The free version of Seeking Alpha provides basic ratings for some stocks, but it doesn't include the full range of detailed insights. So, for example, when I click on the ratings tab, and you can see that we have quant rating, we have SA analyst rating, and the Wall Street analyst ratings. So it is very, very vague. Okay, everything is being locked up. Even the quant rating, which is the proprietary tool of Seeking Alpha, is being locked up. So what you can see is only 6 months ago with the valuation rating being F, profitability being A plus for Walt Disney. Okay, and if you scroll further down, they will ask you to go premium, to see the quant rating. So now let me hop over to let you take a look of how it will look like when you have the premium access. So hopping over to the premium access, you can see that every stocks page will display three powerful ratings. Again, the quant rating based on data-driven matrix, the Seeking Alpha authors rating, which summarizes what Seeking Alpha's contributors think about the stock, and the sell side rating, right, reflecting those from the Wall Street analysts. So, for example, on the Walt Disney symbol page itself, you can see all these ratings at a glance, and the very beautiful charts from the rating itself. They are not locked up anymore from the free account. Right now, with the premium access, you can see all this. For example, you can even see the average target price given by the Wall Street analysts. Okay, a 5% potential upside. Okay, so how has the rating improved or maybe dropped over the past 3 years, past 1 year, that kind of thing. Okay, and in fact, the thing that I really like or treasure about this analyst ratings from Seeking Alpha is this particular one whereby I can see, okay, for example, if I've been following this long player author for quite some time, I know that he's doing a lot of deep dives on Disney itself. I would really appreciate his inputs. And every time, like for example, if I own Disney stock, I will come and read his analysis. Read his analysis on what he has to say on Walt Disney. So, like for example, if you look at this author itself, he has written so many articles over the past 3 years, right? And it's always been a strong buy. What he has to say and things like that. Okay, so now let's move on to the third feature that I personally like. Okay, so another standout feature of Seeking Alpha Premium is the ability to compare your stocks side by side. So right now we are looking at a free account. The free account do allow you to compare the stocks. However, they lack in the ratings. That is important. So without all these ratings, what is the point of comparing it? You are just comparing the share price difference, right? And maybe all the momentum, the total return, the price versus 52-week low, and that kind of thing. Now let me hop over to the premium account again and show you what it really looks like. Again, what you are looking at is the same comparison but now with the factor grades, the ratings that are involved that make it so seamless. So let me just share with you very quickly on how it looks like. So for example, we have Walt Disney. You are competing against Netflix. We have the Live Nation, which organizes all the concerts. Warner Bros. Discovery, as well as TKO Group, which is a merger of WWE as well as the UFC. Okay, the MMA organization, and they are all in the movies and entertainment industry. Okay, so this is available in the free account, but when you scroll down further, you will be able to see all these very beautiful ratings which are not available in the free account. And from here on, you can really see, like for example, the Straits, not the Straits Times, the Seeking Alpha analysts, sorry. Seeking Alpha analysts are giving a buy call for Disney, whereas they're giving like a hold call for Netflix, Warner Bros. Discovery, and things like that. Again, scrolling down even further, you can see all these quant factor grades going from A to F, okay? And if you have a free account, you won't be able to check this out, okay? Even the valuation ratios, you can just very quickly glance through the P ratios of all these different competitors to Disney, uh, P ratio, PEG, price to sales, and even the price to cash flow, and also the growth. How is the revenue growth like? The net income growth, profit margins, ROE, and all sorts of metrics that you can find over here. You can only do so using the premium access. Okay, now, without further ado, let me hop over to the last feature that I want to showcase to you. I want to end off here with this final new launch, which is called the Virtual Analyst Report. Okay, depicted by this orange button over here. This is a new launch made possible due to the introduction of generative AI. Okay, and what it does is that when you click the button over here, it generates a summarized report, giving you a snapshot of what the company is about, the competitors and the unique value of this particular company, the quant rating, and even key highlights, okay, from the bull and the bear thesis. So for busy investors like you and me, this is a huge time saver. Instead of spending hours digging through all these financial metrics, the financial statements, and reading through all these articles, the virtual analyst report will distill all these key critical information into a concise format. Let me just share with you how this one pager looks like in the expanded format. Okay, right now, at the very top, you can see market cap. What is the forward EPS growth gonna look like? 63%, very impressive growth, right, for Disney itself. And the P/E ratio as well as the industry it is in. And right now for the quant rating, it is having a whole rating. Okay, so moving forward, you can see this company description of Walt Disney. If you are not familiar with any particular stock, this will be a very quick read through, very helpful for checking out any new stock that you have in mind, you're interested, but you don't know what the company is doing. Okay, this segment will be very useful. And you can also check out very quickly their competitors and what is the unique value this stock brings to us as investors. So you can see over here they say that Disney's unique value proposition lies in the expensive portfolio of the IP, including franchises like Marvel, Star Wars, and Pixar, and things like that. Okay, and when I scroll down further, you can see that there is this quant rating, how it is rated a whole. Okay, using all this mixed landscape across the valuation matrix, the profitability as well as the momentum and things like that. So they even break down further. So like the valuation matrix, they showcase not only the P ratio, but they also compare it to the sector medium as well as the price to sales ratio. So you can read it up all this. If you have the free 7 days trial, you can just check out as many stocks as you want. All right. Again, you have positives being raised by the seeking alpha analysts as well as the concerns. So what I would say is like the bull case as well as the bear case, and you can just click on all these links to read up more on this particular company. So I would say that whether you are exploring a new stock or reviewing an existing holding, this virtual analyst report will ensure you stay informed without spending too much time, without all this hassle involved. So which plan is right for you? Seeking Alpha free account or the premium account? If you are a casual investor who only needs basic insights and occasional articles, the free version may suffice. But if you're serious about building a well-researched portfolio, the premium access is the clear winner. With features like unlimited article access, in-depth stock ratings, and a virtual one-pager analyst report, make it a powerful tool for both beginner and experienced investors. The best part, you don't have to commit right away. Try Seeking Alpha Premium risk-free by signing up for a free trial using my affiliate down below. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about Seeking Alpha Premium. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of such stock analysis videos. You can also join my newsletter where I share exclusive insights every single week. Last but not least, if you have a few minutes to spare, check out my next video over here.